In the meantime, Yolisa, I understand that you are reorganizing your channels and you're streamlining your content to suit your markets. Come with it.
So yes, Anele, I think every so often we have to take a look at what we're doing. And recently we've had a look at our movie channels. So what we're going to do is we're going to tighten up those channels. We're going to have 4 amazing Mnet channels with all of the big genres and all of the big movies as they come out. But on top of that, we're going to launch an Afrikaans movie channel. So this is 100% Afrikaans movies. So it complements Mzansi Bioscope, it complements Africa Magic Urban. Now we have another local movie channel. And then also we see how much our audiences love action. So we're bringing a brand new movie channel from abroad. It's called Kicks. And it's going to be an action-packed movie channel for the whole family.
And it makes so much sense, and I know viewers can get more info about these exciting Mnet movie channels, all updated online, www.dstv.co.za. Right, Yoli?
Right.
So now, of all those changes, what about your markets outside of South Africa? What's happening channel-wise in that space?
So there's actually lots happening there, Anele. We're launching, we're launching 2 brand new general entertainment channels. We are going to Ghana. So we're going to launch a channel there. It might be called Ghana Magic. We're not quite sure yet. I'm sure it won't, but it will be something like Mzansi Magic or something like Zambezi Magic. We'll have a wonderful Ghanaian telenovela. We'll do great Ghanaian reality. We'll have comedy. All of the genres that people enjoy. We want this to be a flagship channel for our audiences in Ghana. And on top of that, we're actually branching out and entering Ethiopia. So we're going to have an Ethiopian general entertainment channel, and there we are already working on our first telenovela. It's going to be in Amharic. So we're having another African language, which we will be producing in. So the other new channel, which we will be launching this year, is an African lifestyle channel. So we all watch HGTV, we all watch BBC Lifestyle, amazing channels that showcase the way in which people live in Britain and in America and other parts of the world. Well, now it's time to showcase to ourselves the best of our fashion, the best of our cooking, and the best of the way in which we live.